Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, where our goal is to put a little bit of magic into your everyday. Today, as you can see by some of these decor changes, we are embracing the fall season. So this morning is all about getting in that festive mood and getting your space ready. So I talked about in the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party video, which I'll make sure is here somewhere. I spoke about how, for me, decorating our space to match the vibe that we're going for, whether that's like a party or a season, holiday, that is really important for the magic in our household. So today has been dubbed like fall decor day. I am in my little pumpkin t-shirt, and I'm going to apologize for what's happening on my head. I am getting my hair done later this afternoon, which has been a hot minute, like 8 months too late. That was my last appointment, and then quarantine happened and a global pandemic ensued. So like beauty wasn't on the forefront, but this is just leftover from yesterday. That's what we're working with. But I'm very excited. So I wanted to take you with me as I decorate the house, because I personally love like home decor videos, cleaning videos, just something to put on in the background to kind of like set the mood for whatever task I'm about to do. So if you have something that you would like to get done, whether that's an area of your home to tackle, if you're feeling inspired and you're thinking, ooh, what a cozy way to start the season, join me. Hit pause, gather your things, and let's decorate together. Callie and I started our day by making cinnamon apple streusel muffins for breakfast. And this made the house smell amazing and is kicking off the fall season right. So while this does two things. One, it's a before shot. We're pretty much minimalists and we keep out our nautical decor year round, but then we try to add things to it to make it more seasonally appropriate. I've been hoarding the pumpkins I've been gathering down here. But I also put on like a fall cozy ambient background while I'm working to just kind of set the mood for me. You know, searched it on YouTube and I think this is super pretty. It's like the open windows, a little reading nook, this little teapot set up in the background, just looks really cozy and goes with my vibe today. I'm gonna apologize if you're already hearing some chainsaw action. Mark is tidying up the garden for fall as well. I'm working inside and he and Callie are out. Okay, so let's go through what we have. I just wanted to like put it in a pile to see before I get started. This is my one and only fall mug, and it says autumn leaves and pumpkin, please. Focus, please. There you go. And it is currently full of apple cider. Okay. I probably should have done this a little better because you are currently sitting on top of the tote. Hold, please. So this is the fall pumpkin spread. It is very light. I try to collect pumpkins in the colors of our house so that they feel more like natural and not just bright orange pumpkins. We tend to leave these out September through Callie's birthday, and then this year we will obviously be having her birthday party at home. She's a mid-October baby. And then after her birthday becomes immediate Halloween, and then after Halloween we reincorporate this for November until it is Christmas season. So we get a long stretch out of these little guys, and the just subtle touches, I think, help decorate the space. So we're gonna start in the living room, and then I'll sprinkle these about probably in the kitchen and as well as in the bathrooms. Okay, so, hi. Something I love to do is to combine my nautical decor with, like, these are literally reeds from my backyard that grew off of one of our bushes. So Mark is cutting them down and they'll last forever and they'll turn this beautiful shade of like red brown. So I'm just combining some seashells in here so that it feels nautical, but also has that autumn touch. And I think that came out really cute. Okay, so what I have here is my big glass Ray Dunn vase, and it says thankful, and it has a pumpkin on it. This is definitely out from now until Thanksgiving. And then I have, we love like glass jars full of shells in our house. So I have one of those. I have a bag of, it's really dark. Can you see what's happening here? It's super dark. Okay. We have a bag of pine cones with little pumpkins, these little like crystallized pumpkins, love. And then Mark just cut down some more of these from the backyard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm kind of gonna like stage these inside the vase, cutting, this one needs a chop, and then I'm gonna add some things into the bottom to make it look fall-y. So I have a helper who just came into the house. She was helping Daddy. Yeah. I wanted to share with you a dupe, okay? So I shared on Instagram recently my very favorite fall scent. Do you know what it's called? No. Okay. It smells exactly like what it is. My favorite fall scent is from Bath & Body Works, and it's called Leaves. Leaves. Now they come in different jars. I picked up the brown one. I ordered this online. Oh, no, thank you. Because it was on sale. It says that it's made with crisp, the fragrance notes are crisp red apple, golden nectar, warm cloves. Golden nectar? Yeah. Warm clove spice and essential oils. Now here's the hack. These are $24.50 a piece. It's a 3-wick candle, which means you are gonna burn through this puppy pretty darn quickly. It says it burns 25 to 45 hours if you burned 1 wick at a time. Now, friends, do you have a TJ Maxx or a Home Goods? Because here is the same exact smell. It's called Falling Leaves. I have like 4 backups. This was $6.99. It does not give you notes on the bottom. I got this one at Marshall's. It's the same exact smell, right? Sorry, this is what's happening down here. Just a little snuggle bug. So you can spend $25, but why? And I know that this one's smaller. They come in all different sizes. I'm gonna put this one in that little guy where my summer candle smell was. Okay, you're welcome. Tip of the year. Falling Leaves. Thank me later. The house is feeling much more festive, and I'm sure you're noticing a pattern in how I decorate. We use a lot of like glass and seashells, like natural elements, pine cones. I am a big believer in like candles, not only for their scent, but how they like lightly glow a space. So I am looking at several candles right now. They're all in the same scent because we have an open concept home. I did put some things outside, and it's really just like little touches that take it from that summer beach nautical vibe to more of like a fall-esque vibe. I am thinking about maybe getting a garland to go, or some type of bunting to go across the mantle for fall. But the hard part here is that our color scheme is like teal and turquoise and sea glass and navy blue, and all of the fall buntings are in like a military green or an orange. And we really kind of stay away from orange, minus my fall mug and this pumpkin shirt. So I kind of want to take you on a little home tour right now, just the spaces that got a little zhuzh. I may do Callie's room later, and I didn't do much in the kitchen besides tidy it up. I also did not like deep clean like I normally would for a decor like haul-ish like this, and that's because our cleaning service, shout out Alicia, she comes on Monday. So I'm not about to like get in the nooks and crannies because she'll be doing that for me, which is so incredibly exciting and helpful. Let's do a tour.